We as Pakistanis have a distinct identity. We are the people of the Indus Valley civilization. We are the people based on the banks and tributaries of the mighty river Indus. And that's what distinguishes us from our neighbor. And this two-nation theory is proving to be true with every passing day. And let me also, on behalf of the government, assure you that where we've given an opportunity to speak at multiple forums, the Kashmir issue will always remain a priority for our government, and we shall continue the support of the innocent Kashmiris diplomatically, politically, morally, and we stand by the UN resolutions to grant the people of Kashmir the right to self-determination. And I think after the 4-day war, the Kashmir issue has again been recognized as an international dispute, and it has now been highlighted in a manner which is much more robust than before. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, let me assure you that Pakistan will continue to play its role in maintaining and supporting peace in the region. And Pakistan will continue to act not only as a deterrent, but also as a balancer in this region. And thank you, Dr. Sahiba. We will greatly benefit from your great piece of work. And I hope and pray that as we've achieved great laurels in the recent past with regard to our economy, with regard to our military dominance in the region after this 4-day war, Pakistan now has a good story to tell. And in the Committee of Nations, we walk with our heads held high. And may Pakistan always prosper. Pakistan Paindabad, thank you very much.
वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात और नशरियात अता तारड़ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रीजनल स्टडीज़ के ज़ेर एहतमाम तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने भारत की बिला जवाज़ जारहियत का मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया। पाकिस्तान ने भारत की गुमराह कुन प्रोपेगेंडे को बेनकाब किया।